if I was to say, all of you are psychic? All of you. We've all had those moments where we just know something and we don't know how we know it. It's not mystical, it's not magical, and that we all are able to do it because there's some kind of science behind it. So without physical contact, without anybody touching you, some kind of energy falls on your body somewhere and it carries a message to you. And I called that non-physical, feeling energy, an intuitive footprint. One day, I got messages. I started understanding things before they would happen. Oh shit, I'm crazy. Seriously, that was my biggest concern is, I must be crazy. Or worse, somebody's gonna think I'm crazy because I thought they were crazy. Remember Chitty Chitty Bang Bang? Okay. The child snapper, you know, I think he would go out there, ooh, lollipops, ice cream, lollipops, ice cream, right? And what his whole purpose was to trick the children. Well, energies that are filled with anger are going to offer you lollipops and candy. They're going to give you skills and talent, and then they're going to slowly move you away from the light. Every single person in this room has the same no. It's that gut. How many times have we ignored that, oh, don't do that, and you go and do it, right? And most of us are born with hearing. The infant hears a sound and it kind of turns toward the sound. And eventually, over a couple months, the sounds start to become familiar. And within a year, those sounds are starting to be languaged by the child. By the time they're 2, you can't shut them up. Why? The child learned the language. Never once did the child say, I think there's a vibration coming from the vocal cords over there. And it is rapidly moving through the ear and into my eardrum and rattling my eardrums, and voila, I now have language. That's intuitive footprint, guys. For me to try to explain the science of it, I can't. I want to research this. I want somebody to research it with me. I want to find out what the physical stuff is that's happening, but I can tell you it's happening just like sound is happening. And don't worry about remembering anything, because I'm going to talk you through it. But I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do, so you don't close your eyes and say, what the hell is she going to do now? Okay. Oh shit, is she going through my pocketbook? One of the things that Chris and I do often, we get ourselves out of the way by shrinking ourselves mentally. We put ourselves on the side, so we're a clear channel for God. No, because in the real world, nobody's shrinking himself up. You need to be able to perceive things that happen in the real world. The yeses, the joys, the angers, the no's, clearly, as it happens. If I see myself when I'm hugging my grandchildren, the joy just is gushing. Think of something that makes you joyful. Everybody have something? Thank you, guys.